Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everybody doing? Doing well and staying safe, I hope. So you read the title of this video. I am a woman of my word. If you are new to my channel, you will find out that I am. And I said whenever the last winner claimed the giveaway and it was out my door, I would have another, and it is gone. I have no giveaway boxes and no giveaways going on until right now, so let's have one. Okay, but it's not as huge as usual, and I hope that is still okay, but it does have some really nice yarn in it, so I hope that will make up for it being not as big as I usually do. I do have a tutorial for that shawl there in the background. It's actually one that I put out last year. You guys can look for it under my playlist of shawls if you're interested in it. It's a shawl I just couldn't, usually I donate everything. I couldn't get rid of that one because it was the yarn. I love that color, and it's so sparkly up close. You probably can't see it from far away. It's so sparkly. I just couldn't part with it, even though I don't really wear shawls, but I kept that one. Every once in a while I'll keep something, but I usually just keep it. All right, so I'm going to show you what is in this box and what you got to do to win. And I hope you watch my video to the end, but if you don't, it's going to come in this box here. So I usually recycle boxes that, either old yarn boxes that I get in the mail or this stuff. So this is I got a new blanket for my bed, faux fur blanket. So I crammed as much yarn in here as I could. It's heavy, but it's not as big as a box that I usually put out. So I couldn't put a bunch, but believe it or not, there's still 50 balls of yarn in there. And I have some other stuff too that I think I could fit in here. So that's there's 50 balls in here. So I'll go through it just quickly. This is Universal Yarns Little Bird 100% acrylic. I don't know anything about it. It was from Premier, and because Premier sells Universal, I got it, and then to show you guys, and I never opened it on camera. So I just opened it and then forgot about it, and now it's going into a giveaway because it is a lighter weight yarn, and I'm not good with the lightweights. But 3 of those. And then I have some new yarn from Premier. It's a hipster cotton, which I gave a really good review on. If you guys want to see that review, I just did it a couple days ago. It's a really nice cotton yarn, but it's just, again, too thin for me. These are all the same color. So 3 of those. You'll like it. It's very garment worthy yarn. Okay, and then I have some Lion Brand Naboo. I like it. It's 100% Lysol. It's nice, shiny, drapey, and gorgeous. This will work well for summer or spring items, or even if you want to use it for winter, whatevs. It'll work well for anything. So I have 3 of those. Let's see what else I got. I have some Red Heart, I can never say it, Hooga, I think. That's similar to Karen Latte Kicks. So it is a very nice yarn too. Silky soft. Favorite color there is brown. So I have 3 of those. I couldn't do like a large quantity because the box is small. So I wanted to give you a variety of yarn, but okay. Then I have some yarn from, I don't know where I got it from. I don't know where 3/4 of the yarn came from. No, I'm just kidding. This came from Little Knits. I really like Little Knits. This is the Serendipity Tweed from the Brown Sheep yarn company. It's pretty. You can see there it's black and purplish. So, it's 60 cotton and 40 wool. So it's a really pretty purple. I have 5 of those actually. So surely you can make something out of that. I can't believe I can actually even fit 50 in this box, but some of them are a little smaller. So this is some nice yarn. I debated it, but I knew that I did buy it at the time to make something with it in houndstooth stitch because I love it done in black and white, but I'm not going to get around to it. I know that. I just ran out of time. Now this is from Kramer Yarns. It is called their Sterling Silk and Silver. Look at the sparkles in those. It's beautiful. It is a very lightweight yarn if you like lightweight yarns, but I was going to put a thicker weight with it and use it that way. But like I said, I'm realistic. I know I ain't got the time for that. It's pretty though. It is 63% superwash merino, 20% silk, 15% nylon, and 2% of the silver stuff. So this is hand spun in Pennsylvania, I think. Yeah, Nazareth, Pennsylvania is where Kramer's from. So you'll get those two. Very pretty. Nice yarn, nice yarn. This is nice too. This came from Little Knits. This is the Cascade Tangiers. So it's 53 silk, 17 cotton, 16 acrylic, 14 rayon. It reminds me a lot of Noro, but it's very pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I actually have 10 of these, but I'm going to give away 5 because there's 220 yards in each. So I only need 5 to make what I'm going to make. I don't even know how I ended up with 10. So I'm going to give away the other 5. I actually used this in another color and made a beautiful scarf last year. Gosh, it was so pretty. This is pretty. So there's 5 of those. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. This came from the Wool Warehouse. I do believe it's amazing. I can remember where some of these yarns came from. This is called, I wanted to give away some Pima cotton. I love Pima cotton. It's one of my favorite cottons. Pima 100 Barico. So yeah, it's 100% Pima cotton. I like it. It's pretty. It's soft. You'll like it too. I actually have 5 of those. 5 pinks. In this pretty, I don't know, burgundy, I guess. Light burgundy. I don't know what you call that, but 5 of those. Okay, I'm almost done. I know I can only talk for so long before I probably get annoying. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. This is from, I don't know if you guys watched the unboxing I did of Kristen Amdahl. She's another YouTuber and she has a yarn site, and someone recommended me to try her milk cotton. Well, I did. I bought it in bulky weight, which I kept, and I also bought it in 3 weight, which I'm going to give away because I can't use the 3 weight. Well, I can, but I don't like to. But I have 10 balls. This is milk cotton, 100% milk cotton. It's very, very nice. It's very bright pink. I like it a lot. I do. I have 10 balls of that. That would make such a soft, very, very soft, fun, playful, cheery baby blanket. It'd be a nice soft top. They could, so you know, you could be seen from miles because it's such hot pink. Now a beautiful scarf, shawl, anything really that you want to make with it. But very pretty. 10 of those milk cottons. Okay. Then I have 10 of these from Hobium. It's their Lamia Just Wool. So they're all white. It's 100% recycled wool, but it feels nice. So there's plenty there to make nice whatever you want to make with it. I got one more, which should equal 50. It's a very nice hank of hand-dyed yarn from an indie dyer on Etsy that I purchased from Blue Fiber Company. Hand-dyed in Portland, Oregon. Now this was his cashmere merino. So it's 80% fine merino, superwash merino, and 20% Mongolian cashmere. It's gorgeous. It is a very gorgeous color, one of my favorite colors. Kind of matches my hats. But yes, it's very, very pretty. It's very soft. It's a DK, which is a lightweight 273 yards. That's enough to make you a, I don't know, a lot can be made with 273 yards of a DK. As far as, you know, smaller items, sure, you can make a hat, beautiful cowl, scarf. You know, just gotta think about it. Sky's the limit. A lot of people think that you gotta have large amounts, but really you can do a lot with one ball, one hang. I got a lot of 1 ball projects on my channel. You guys check it out. Okay, so that's what you win. 50 balls yarn, but I got more. Okay, so I don't know, I always give away stitch markers from Rose. She has a YouTube channel from Rose Likes Crochet. You should check her out. She does videos, and she has great videos. Does charity work for a very, very noble cause. And she makes these stitch markers. Oh, they're so cute too. I always love the ones that I draw out. So there's 3 here. There's a donut and 2 ice creams. And this one, I love these. I almost kept these, but I just don't use stitch markers. Fried eggs. 2 fried egg stitch markers. Those are cool. And then, if you want it, you can have the thumb drive with my over 300 written patterns on it, which are in PDF format, digital downloads. They are printable, and if you have access to the internet, they have hyperlinks that go directly to the tutorial, so you can follow along. I'll pop that in here, which will fit in the box. I will put Rose's stitch markers in there too, but I have one more thing also, and then I will be done and get out of here. When I bought from Kristen Omdahl her milk cotton, I seen that she had shawl pins, so I bought a couple of those. I'm going to give one of those away. This is the wooden shawl pins, and a lot of people are asking me, how do you use a shawl pin? Well, you take a shawl like that, and you just kind of wrap it around you, and kind of weave this through like that, and then it sticks, or this way probably is what you want to do it, or like that, and it just holds your shawl in place. A lot of people use it, put it like wrap their ponytail or what if you have hair, and stick it in there, and I don't know. You can look it up, probably many uses for that wooden shawl pin, but I just wanted to put this in a giveaway too. I got 2, I kept 1, and this one I'm going to put in a giveaway. So that's what you win. I hope that's good. I hope that is good. So what do you have to do to enter? First of all, I do want to say thank you very, very much to everybody that watches me. Thank you for, inviting me into your homes, putting me on your devices, your TVs, your tablets, your phones, watching me, learning from me, letting your children learn from me, husbands and wives learn from me, letting me be, if you're alone, letting me keep you company. It means a lot to me. It really does. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Just that I'm able to spend time with you guys, even if it isn't in real life. It's just like this. It's still, we have a very great community at Bagoday, and I love all you guys very much. So thank you for that. And so this is how I get back and say thanks. I love to get back to my yarn community. So what do you have to do to win? Well, you have to be subscribed to Bagoday Crochet, and then you have to like this video, and you should come check me out on Instagram. You don't have to, but I do put pictures of the things, my makes that I'm working on there, so you can check that out. I hope you guys caught my new bag tutorial. I just put it on last night in the middle of the night or early this morning. I don't remember when it was. Check that out if you haven't. But you don't have to follow me on Instagram. It's not a requirement. Subscribe, like, and then you have to leave a comment. And you have to leave a comment in the comment section of this video right here. Nowhere else, okay? You can't email me it. You can't do any of that stuff because I draw here. Starts now, 5/15/2021. 5/20/2021. It's going to end 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I will draw right in front of everybody. And I encourage everybody, please read the rules. You have 10. Read the rules. It'll tell you, go over everything that you need to know about the giveaway. So they'll be in the description box. Okay, so the comment that I want you to leave in the comment section. Remember, you got to have this comment answered, or I'll have to draw someone else, but just tell me what's your favorite. Which one would you, out of all this yarn here that I just showed you, which one did you find most intriguing, or you'd be one you were most attracted to, the one I'm most eager to try? I like them all, but if I had to choose, if it was me, I'd choose this one. The Cashmere Merino. But that's just me. Okay, I'm going to go. You guys remember the rules. Subscribe, like, answer that question, and check me out on Instagram, but you don't have to. And then, yeah, that's it. And I'm sorry that my video is so long. Sometimes I like to talk a lot because you're the only people that I have to talk yarn with. So sometimes I just keep talking because I don't want to leave. But I know I have to. So I don't want to annoy everybody where they don't want to watch me anymore. So I will see you guys on my next video, whatever that might be. Remember, don't forget to check out my latest tutorial and all my other videos, okay? Thanks everybody for watching, all right? Bye guys. Stay safe, all right? I love you all very much.